Hey, welcome back to 33 Hot Rod. The plan originally was to hook up the electrical system today, or at least get started on it. But I decided we're so close, we might as well see if we can get the engine running and hear how this baby sounds. So what we have to do is we have to hook up the drive shaft, hook up the transmission to the cooler, put fluids in it, and then we're going to take the control panel off the engine stand, put it on the firewall, do a little bit of wiring, and then we ought to be able to fire this puppy up. Now my buddy Alex is here helping me today. He's my little brother from the Big Brothers Big Sister program, and normally we like to go fishing. But today I'm going to teach Alex how to turn some wrenches, or maybe he's going to teach me a thing or two. All right, Alex, let's get started. Get this baby running. Hey, she started right up without a problem. We got good fuel pressure, good oil pressure, good water temperature. Everything's holding steady. No leaks, no drips, no problems whatsoever. So really happy. Now I got no excuses. I got to start working on the electrical system. Until then, keep tuning in to 33 Hot Rod. Make sure you subscribe. Cheers.